Something unusual is clearly brewing in the camera world. Over the past few months, quiet rumors have grown into persistent whispers about a new mirrorless camera project that could disrupt the industry in a way few companies have managed in recent years. At the center of this speculation is DJI, a brand already synonymous with innovation, stability, and cutting-edge imaging technology. The idea of DJI entering the full-frame mirrorless space has captured the attention of photographers and filmmakers alike, not just because it's unexpected, but because it hints at a fundamentally different approach to how a modern camera could work. What makes these rumors so compelling is not just the possibility of a new camera, but the philosophy behind it. This isn't being talked about as a traditional mirrorless body designed to incrementally compete with existing models. Instead, the rumored DJI Mirrorless Camera is being described as a creator-focused tool, built from the ground up to blend power, portability, and intelligent technology. The excitement comes from the sense that DJI isn't simply copying what Sony, Canon, or Nikon already do well. Rather, it may be attempting to redefine what creators should expect from a camera in 2026 and beyond. According to multiple leaks, DJI is preparing its first-ever full-frame mirrorless camera, and if true, this would mark one of the most ambitious moves in the company's history. DJI has dominated aerial imaging for years, revolutionizing drones and camera stabilization systems. Translating that expertise into a handheld mirrorless camera seems like a natural progression, yet it's one that could carry enormous implications. A cinema-inspired design is frequently mentioned, suggesting a camera that prioritizes video performance while still delivering professional-grade photography capabilities. This hybrid approach reflects the reality of modern creators, who often move seamlessly between stills and video within the same project. A major reason many observers believe this project is more than speculation is DJI's close relationship with Hasselblad. Their partnership has already produced impressive results in DJI's premium drones, particularly in terms of color science and image rendering. That collaboration has led many to believe the rumored DJI mirrorless camera is not a rushed experiment, but a carefully planned entry into the professional imaging market. If Hasselblad's influence extends fully into this camera, it could give DJI an immediate visual identity that sets it apart from competitors. The most widely discussed specification is the sensor. Rumors consistently point toward a full-frame sensor with a resolution of around 45 megapixels. This places the camera firmly in the high-resolution category, appealing to professional photographers who demand extreme detail for large prints, commercial work, and heavy cropping. At the same time, 45 megapixels is widely seen as a balanced choice, high enough to compete with flagship models, yet not so extreme that it sacrifices low-light performance. If DJI manages to optimize pixel design and processing, this sensor could deliver excellent dynamic range and clean results in challenging lighting conditions, making it equally attractive to videographers. On the video side, expectations are equally ambitious. The rumored ability to record 4K at up to 120 frames per second positions the DJI mirrorless camera as a serious cinematic tool. High frame rate 4K opens the door to smooth, detailed slow motion that retains professional image quality. This is especially valuable for filmmakers working on commercials, documentaries, music videos, and narrative projects where motion plays a critical role in storytelling. Combined with full-frame depth of field and strong low-light performance, such video capabilities would make the camera highly versatile across genres. Beyond resolution and frame rates, recording formats are a major point of interest. There is growing speculation that DJI could support advanced codecs, including 10-bit recording and even ProRes RAW. If true, this would signal a strong focus on post-production flexibility. ProRes RAW, in particular, would allow creators to extract maximum dynamic range and color information from their footage, enabling deeper color grading and more cinematic results. This level of recording quality is typically associated with dedicated cinema cameras, so its inclusion in a mirrorless body would be a bold statement. Autofocus performance is another area where DJI could surprise the industry. Leaks suggest the possibility of AI-driven subject tracking, incorporating advanced eye detection for humans, animals, and potentially vehicles. Given DJI's background in autonomous flight and object tracking for drones, it's reasonable to assume the company has significant expertise in this area. If applied effectively to a mirrorless camera, such autofocus technology could rival or even surpass the best systems currently available. Reliable autofocus is critical for modern creators, especially those working solo in fast-moving environments where manual focus isn't always practical. However, the most talked about and potentially revolutionary feature is stabilization. DJI is, after all, the undisputed leader in gimbal technology. The idea that this expertise could be integrated directly into a camera body is what truly sets the DJI mirrorless camera apart from existing options. Rumors point to a 4-axis or even 4D stabilization system that goes beyond traditional in-body image stabilization. If DJI manages to deliver gimbal-like smoothness internally, it could eliminate the need for external stabilization in many scenarios. This would fundamentally change how creators approach handheld shooting. Imagine filming while walking, running, or riding in a moving vehicle and achieving cinematic smoothness without a bulky rig. Travel filmmakers, vloggers, and documentary shooters would gain unprecedented freedom. Setup times would shrink. Gear bags would become lighter. Creativity would no longer be constrained by the logistics of stabilization equipment. This alone could make the DJI mirrorless camera a game-changer for anyone who values mobility without sacrificing image quality. Connectivity is another area where DJI's influence could reshape expectations. Rumors suggest instant RAW transfer to smartphones, tablets, or cloud platforms, enabling a faster shoot-to-publish workflow. For creators working under tight deadlines, this kind of connectivity could be transformative. Instead of waiting to offload footage back at a studio, content could be reviewed, edited, and shared almost immediately. This aligns perfectly with the needs of modern content creation, where speed and efficiency are often just as important as image quality. Design flexibility also appears to be part of the vision. The camera is rumored to feature a modular design, allowing users to adapt it to different shooting styles. In its simplest form, it could be compact and lightweight for casual shooting or vlogging. With added modules, it could transform into a fully rigged cinema setup suitable for professional productions. This adaptability would make the DJI mirrorless camera appealing to a wide range of users, from solo creators to small production teams. Wireless capabilities may extend even further. There is speculation about advanced Wi-Fi performance or even integrated 5G support. If realized, this could enable real-time streaming, instant uploads, and remote collaboration directly from the camera. These features would position the camera not just as an imaging device, but as a connected production hub designed for the digital age. Traditional camera manufacturers have been slow to embrace this level of connectivity, leaving an opening that DJI could exploit. Of course, entering the mirrorless market means facing fierce competition. Sony has established dominance with its A7 and A9 series, known for exceptional autofocus, speed, and low-light performance. Canon's R-series cameras have built a reputation as powerful hybrids, combining high-resolution photography with strong video features. Nikon's Z8 and Z9 have redefined expectations for speed, durability, and professional reliability. For DJI to succeed, it must offer something these brands do not, or cannot, easily replicate. The camera industry has reached a point where innovation feels overdue. Incremental upgrades no longer inspire the same excitement they once did. A bold new entrant with a fresh perspective could reinvigorate the entire space. If DJI follows through, the DJI mirrorless camera may not just compete with existing models, it may redefine what creators expect from the tools they use to tell their stories.